Welcome to video tutorial on understanding the requirements of employee training in the pharmaceutical industry. A single mistake in medicine manufacturing could lead to life-threatening consequences. This is the reality of the pharmaceutical industry. In this high-stakes environment, employee training isn't just a formality, it's a regulatory mandate. Regulatory bodies like the FDA and EMA set stringent guidelines to ensure that every employee is equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge. These guidelines are not just about compliance, they shape the very practices of the industry. Failure to comply with training requirements can lead to severe consequences, including product recalls and hefty fines. But beyond compliance, training is integral to maintaining high standards of product quality. Properly trained employees are less likely to make errors, ensuring the safety and efficacy of medicines. The ultimate goal: protecting patient safety by preventing contamination and incorrect dosages. However, the financial burden of compliance is substantial, requiring continuous updates and meticulous documentation. Yet, the cost of non-compliance, fines, legal fees, and loss of public trust is far greater. Well-trained employees contribute to operational efficiency, reducing costly errors and improving productivity. In an industry driven by technological advancements, training ensures that the workforce can adapt to new systems and innovations. Regulatory bodies frequently update guidelines, requiring companies to be agile in adapting their training programs. Comprehensive training enhances employee competence, leading to a safer and more efficient workplace. Investing in training also boosts job satisfaction and employee retention, attracting top talent. In a globalized industry, consistent training practices across regions are essential for maintaining quality and safety. However, implementing standardized training globally comes with challenges, including navigating local regulations and cultural differences. The complexity of regulations requires continuous monitoring and updating of training programs. Smaller companies may struggle with the resources needed for comprehensive training, often seeking external assistance. Despite the challenges, the benefits of robust training programs are substantial, from improved performance to regulatory compliance. In the ever-evolving pharmaceutical industry, adaptive training programs are not just beneficial, they are essential. Stay compliant, stay innovative, stay safe.